All right, hold on. Now that's gonna come down with you. So, Nance, come here. Hold this.
I got it.
No. It's gonna roll. It's heavy, babe.
I'm pushing forward.
That thing's gonna run you over. This is gonna be a million hits. I'm telling you. Becca, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Get out of the way. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I got that all on camera. Crazy knucklehead. The look on your face is priceless. All right, now what I call a fun project, but I need to deal with this gutter. I'm gonna bury it right in there and then run it, kind of follow that path right there. And then I'm gonna go a few feet beyond that planter to the right and dump out the water there. If I bring it here, if I don't bring it far enough, then what's gonna happen is it's just gonna pull up here, or it's gonna run out and take all my mulch out of there. So I need it to be in the grass. And then I also thought about running it all the way over there. I've got a drain that if you walk over here for my air conditioner, there's that drain right there. I thought about tying it in there, but it's already a soggy mess right there on the end. So I don't want to do that. It actually dumps out like right there. And I don't want to dump it out there because that'll just create different issues. Eventually maybe I'll tie it in and then run it all the way out, but to the bottom of the hill. But for now, it's got to be this plan for now. So stick around, lots of digging, lots of excavating, but we'll get it done. So as I'm digging, because I'm so close to the foundation and my patio, I am trying to be very, very careful to not hit any sprinkler pipes. Looks like I'm pretty safe. I know there's a valve box like right over there by that wood pile. So I'm trying to stay away from that. I think I'm good, but I'm still gonna be very careful as I dig this trench because I do not want to have to fix sprinklers. I've got enough sprinkler adventures in my life right now. So far, not too bad. The actual digging hasn't been very difficult. I pulled out most of this grass is intact. Hopefully it'll take back root once I get all this done. But yeah, that's not too bad. And then I'm basically taking all of that dirt and I'm putting it down at the bottom of the hill, right along there, wherever it's like dark. That's what I'm trying to fill in. So hopefully, once I get it all filled in, I will put in some sand to level it out there and compost, and hopefully it'll take root. The Bermuda will take root, that is. So that's the plan. Hang tight. The trench is dug all the way across to where my exit point is. So I think we are good. Now I gotta run over to Home Depot, get me some gravel, and then I'm gonna get some sand and then we can put everything back together and we'll be done. So not too bad of a project. All right, I think we are darn close. Pretty sure I can reuse this here. Maybe. Nope, maybe not. So I do have this old piece here that I can replace, and then I'll have plenty of room, which should work pretty nicely. Except, I got the wrong bit. Darn it. That's done. Yeah, I think that's deep enough. I think that's good. I mean, I'm gonna put some gravel underneath, but the grass is gonna sit above it. I don't know. What do you think? Should it go deeper?
I think it's fine.
That's probably good. All right. I was kind of hoping it was bigger. You know what? It should be all right. Once I flip them around. But I think that's gonna be too small for that fitting over there. Well, darn. There you go. That works. Got holes here. I just didn't want holes up there because I didn't want to risk eroding underneath the patio. But over here, I don't really care. So, and then we just got to cut down there. And then this thing, this pop-up, let's see how it fits on the end. That'll be perfect right there. So that works. I just need to cut it. So, in order to make this fit, just made a little cut. Perfectly. It works. So yeah, so it'll go right there. Goes all the way up. And then it'll go right into the downspout. Got to raise it a little bit down there with gravel, and then we should be good. I bought 5 bags, and I thought I had too many.
Don't have enough.
Probably won't. My daughter Becca is finishing up packing in right there. That grass was kind of dead anyway, so that's why I threw it away. But we were able to salvage a lot of this, and it was only out of the dirt for half a day, which is great. So we should be in okay shape. So I have a whole truck of sand that I just got, and I'm gonna fill in the gaps right here. And then I'm actually gonna take the rest of that sand and go down to the bottom of the hill. So you can see how much dirt I got out of those holes. But you can see where my tires have torn it up when I'm mowing because it's just mud back here. So I'm gonna take about a yard of sand and try and level this out, give it a place for it to grow. And we'll go from there. My girls they have the giggles. I'm not sure what this sand is gonna do, but I needed to put it in there to fill in all the gaps. I'm hoping that the grass has grown enough that we're in good shape, but it looks good though. I mean, worst case scenario, I'll have to reseed it. I do have Bermuda seed that I can drop on here, put down some more compost, and we should be good shape, but we'll see what happens. For now, it's good. Go, Becca. Just go. Don't turn sharp. Just kind of walk to the left. No, that way.
That's to save the direction.
All right, hold on. Now that's gonna come down with you. So, Nance, come here. Hold this. No. It's gonna roll. It's heavy, babe. That thing's gonna run you over. This is gonna be a million hits. I'm telling you. Becca, let it go. Get out of the way. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I got that all on camera. Crazy knucklehead. The look on your face is priceless. Oh my gosh. I don't know, a whole nother yard maybe, and we should be done. Yeah, this is what a yard of sand is gonna make my truck look like. It's a little low, but it is what it is. Another back-breaking day of moving sand. Hopefully today's the last day I'm gonna do this for a while, until I level my lawn. So I think I've got the majority of what I wanted to get done, which is to get all of the sand in place of where most of that mud was. And I may need to do a little bit more leveling, or smoothing, I should say. I think it's pretty level. I know I'm gonna have to probably do this again, but I need to leave it alone for a while, let the grass grow through, figure out where my high and low spots are, and we'll go from there. So that's it for today. All right, folks, don't mind the glare off my noggin. Didn't feel like putting on a hat. So if you like, man, that sun is bright. Good grief. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great weekend, everybody.